Hi everyone, how is everybody doing? I hope everyone is doing fantastic this Saturday afternoon. So I am here to do a Project Life video. I haven't done this for a while. I did a page last week. I had actually one evening I was able to spend down here, and I think I did 2 layouts. So I want to do a couple more, at least 2 more today. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. So I will get on with the Project Life that's right down here. Okay, just give you a little info what I'm working on. I'm working on my weekend away in Toronto. We stayed at my niece's house. So I've been doing, on the Saturday we did a whole bunch of sightseeing and stops and that. So I've been doing for every stop we made on Saturday a sticker to say what number of stops it is. So this one's our 6th and this is our 7th. And then finally we got to my niece's house and we just relaxed. So I'm going to say that that's our 8th and final stop of the day. Now I just have to find a label of some kind for it. And I need to find my pen. My friends, I went to Dollar Tree this morning. I wanted to get a couple things, and some of you may know, some others might not, but we are in a stay-at-home type lockdown type of thing. And one of the things that we cannot buy at dollar stores is craft supplies. So I went there and I saw an end display covered with a tarp. So I just took a peek at it, and you wouldn't believe what's in there. It's all that stuff from Recollections. There's paper and labels and just different things. I think there was some die cuts. I didn't stay there for long. I thought, oh my goodness, I have to be here at 9 o'clock when it opens on June 3rd. Okay, so I need a little label, one that I can write in and that. So that's not big enough. Check this one. I've used different labels. This one here. Okay, so this one, it says note. I'm gonna put, so the last one was the 7th stop. I'm gonna put 8th and final stop. Now, I need it to be on a bigger picture. I wish I had better handwriting. I'm not one for putting the stickers right in the middle of the page, but you know what? I might go outside the box. I seem to be trying different. The older I get, the more adventurous I seem to be getting. Okay, so I won't put it on tight because I'm not sure if I like it. So, all right, I get my eye mask. I had to wash it because it got ink on it. So this one used to be an eye mask, and so now I use it to take off fingerprints. So I guess I should get a white paper. Well, it's not big, but it'll do to work on the pictures that I'm working on. Okay. So now I'm wondering if I have anything that says relaxing on. So I can use something on there if I can't find anything. I could stamp on to a card. I think I have all the letters here. I might put a border on, maybe a smiley face. What about a stamp that says relax? Nope. So even though I couldn't buy any craft items today, I still managed to spend money at Dollar Tree and Dollarama. I spent like $30 at Dollarama and $10 maybe at Dollar Tree. See what I have in here. I guess I want relaxing, not relax. What do we have here? Oh, there's relax. I really would really like relaxing, but I'll take it. I could put relax time. I think I will mix two stickers together. Give it a try. Okay, see if I can do it. So there's relax and there's next time. So this one has relax. So I am going to try to mix them up. So I could actually cut that out maybe, or could I put one on? See if I can cut it. Try my scissors. There we go. Now, which picture am I going to put it on? I got a sticker there. Maybe I put it on here. My sister-in-law looks pretty relaxed there. Should I use two of the same color or two different ones? What would you do? I think I'll use two different colors. Maybe I'll put it here because it might be too big for there. So relax. Oh, I did it wrong. See? Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope you weren't on there long enough. I hope the other one's big enough. Although I guess I could have put time to relax if I couldn't figure this out. Leave it to me. Man, that didn't take long at all to adhere that strongly. I guess I could put like another sticker on there. I'm gonna have to tape that now. I'll put it here. And I'll just use this, my trusty glue stick. Now, I'm going to need like a little tiny distraction stamp here, or sticker here. Maybe I will use that heart there. There. How's that look, everyone? And it ended up being a layered sticker. It's a win-win. There's always a way to fix your mistakes. My mistakes. I have no idea what to have for supper tonight. This would be day 3, I do believe. So I've been putting these little day stickers. So that's day 2. That was the Saturday. So Sunday is day 3. And what do I have on my thing here? So I think I might use that paper, or I could use that paper. I have, which I've showed before, I have a list of how to do each page and each pocket, if I'm putting something on each pocket. But sometimes I use the idea, and sometimes I don't. It all depends. Sometimes I get like an idea as I'm going along. But it's good to have a base. So many things on this table that should not be on here. I'll try to be organized, like Dearly D and Lalani, I think that's her name, and Amy Gretchen. I think they would probably laugh at me for thinking that I might be organized. In my mind, I know exactly what I want to do, but I cannot find the sticker for it. So, where are you? Maybe it's actually in here. My daughter gave me this package for Christmas. Yep, there we go. Okay, so this is day 3. Do I want to write breakfast time, stamp it, or do I want to put stickers on? Maybe I'll use one of these. put the day on and then put breakfast time or something like that. So I don't want the whole thing, but I could put it up there because that's kind of a distraction there. All right, so I'm going to cut this piece off. If I'm going to have that one, I'm going to have to put it at this end. Oh, what the hey. That's why it's taking me forever to do this, because I'm too much of a perfectionist, which is funny because I'm not a perfectionist in life. Okay, so I've used those. Now, and of course it's crooked. Okay, so I'll use my little ruler to make sure it's straight, because I don't want it right at the top. I'm wondering if, even though I don't want it at the top, if I should put it against the side here. Yeah. Now, the thing is it's straight. Okay, so if I have to cut a little bit off, I do. I'll put it a little bit over. Okay, so I'll cut this little tag piece off, and then day 3, so we were staying at my niece's house, and this is also my niece. She lives in Toronto too. She came for the day and the night. So that's what I added on that pocket. And then this pocket, I added relax time. I had to use 2 different stickers. I really wanted the word relaxing, but I couldn't find it. I found another sticker that said home time or something. So I just trimmed off the home, kept the time and put relax, and then I added the little heart, as we were relaxing after a very busy day. And then the last one on this page is for these 2 pockets here, because it was the next day, and it was day 3 of our visit, our stay, and it was breakfast time. So that's what I added on that page. Then on this one, it's one where we were all working on a John Lennon puzzle. So on this one, on the day card, I just added a heart. And then where else did I add? Oh, I added a heart on this one. These 2 are twin sisters. Okay, and then this is their mom, my sister. So I put a heart there. And then I put a heart at the bottom of the puzzle that we just finished of John Lennon. Okay, so, oh, and then this one I found a little sticker, and it says, "You got this." And then the last page I worked on yesterday before I had to quit was, I didn't really do anything to the pictures. So this puzzle, we worked on it all weekend. And we finished it Sunday afternoon just before we came home. So this is us just before we left for home. Just having a quick visit. And then I just added a couple journaling cards. So the background is cardstock. It's paper that I got from Dollarama. It's a pad of paper like this. And this is a stamp that I've had forever and I've never used it. It says, "Thank you so much." So I thank Devin and Megan for letting us stay there. Amy and Rick for cooking us supper on Friday night. And my sister-in-law Penny for driving. And then I just put, we had such a fun time with the Torontonians. And I used a sticker that says "Good Times." Okay, so I think I have one more page of the visit. I think it's going home.